Ever wondered how those sexy full screen menus and pop-ups slide in like butter? Well, it's actually not that hard. It's all about Lottie files and making them stretch across the whole screen. Stick with me in this quick tutorial and you will have those slick full screen animations up and running in no time. Now let's get to it. Okay, so I've just fired up a brand new Webflow project right here, and the first thing we need to do is to make a section to use as a container for our Lottie animation. So let's press Command K and write section, and then choose the section right here. And then within the section we're gonna put the Lottie animation. So let's press Command K one more time and write Lottie, and then we have it right here, and then put it inside the section. So we want this to be a full screen. So the first thing we need to do is to go over to the settings within the section and then write 100% viewport width like this, and 100% viewport height. Oh, viewport height like this. And then we will take the Lottie animation and make this 100% also, and the width like this, and 100% and the height like this. And now we can see there is a small gap, but this is actually where the custom code comes in. So the first thing we need to do is to go in here and then replace it with a real life Lottie animation. So let's drop in a Lottie animation right here, like this. Now we have the Lottie animation, and then let's try to play it just for the fun of it. So we have it right here. It's pretty quick right now, so let's put in the duration to 2.5 or something like that, and let's play it one more time. That's much better. So as you can see now, we have a gap in each side of the Lottie animation, and that's not what we want. We want this Lottie animation to be 100% full screen when we're opening up the menu, for example. So let's return to the editor right here. So from inside the settings, we'll go down here to custom attribute, hit the plus sign, and the custom code we will put in the custom attribute. You can clone it from the Webflow Clonables, and you can also copy it directly from my site, but I will leave the link for both of them in the description below. So we're good to go. Let's go into the clonable, and then underneath the full screen Lottie, we will take the first thing here, the name, and then we will copy this one. Press Command C, go back to Webflow, and then put it in under name. And then under value, we will take the value code right here. Command C, back to Webflow, and underneath the value, press Command V like this. And now we will see if the Lottie animation is full screen. So let's go up to the preview one more time. And as you can see now, the Lottie animation is 100% full width. And that is actually how easy it is to make a Lottie animation take up the whole screen size. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Full screen Lottie animation inside Webflow. Thank you very much. So that's how you make those Lottie animations full screen for all those sexy pop-ups, page loaders and full screen menus. If you want me to make a video on how to set up a full screen menu from start to finish with Lottie files and the full shebang, then please let me know in the comment section below. My name is Jacob Vingegaard, and I salute you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you liked this video and it was helpful, then please consider to like and subscribe to my channel. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.